Good morning. So today we're going to start with our months of the year song to kind of help us remember the order of the months. So let's do that to get started.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Now, let's sing along with Mother Hen. Here we go.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
All right. So next, we need to figure out our days of the week. So today is Tuesday. So if today is Tuesday, then yesterday was, you're right, Monday. And if today is Tuesday, then tomorrow will be Wednesday. All right, so after 12 comes the number 13. So today is Tuesday, October 13th. And today we've been in school now for 25 days. And if we were going to make that number 25 in base 10 blocks, I see I have a 2 in the tens. So I'm going to need 2 tens rods. And I have a 5 in the ones. So I need 5 ones cubes. So my 2 tens and 5 ones gives me 25. We have been in school for 25 days already. All right, guys. Well, I hope you have a great rest of the day. Talk to you soon.